I'm going to show you how the transfer bar safety works. This is an old Ruger single 6, but it still has the transfer bar. So you can see when you cock this back, a little bar goes up here. So what that bar does is it transfers the power from the firing pin to the actual hammer. So the hammer, transfer bar, firing pin. If you depress the hammer slowly, you'll see the transfer bar goes out of the way. So you cock it, it comes up, bring it down, it goes out of the way. Now, if you were to actually fire this thing though, it goes down so fast that the transfer bar can't get out of the way, stays there, and transfers power to the firing pin. So this is just basically a safety feature so that if you have your gun like this, there's really no contact between the hammer and the firing pin. So if you were to drop it out of like a 2-story window, I don't know who would do that, and if it were to land on the hammer, then the gun won't go off. So that's really the whole real purpose of the transfer bar. So we'll show a slow motion footage of an actual the hammer being fired, just to kind of show what's actually happening in the firing situation. So here's a gun that doesn't have a transfer bar. And this is the old style, and basically the hammer is in direct contact with the firing pin. So you can imagine a situation where you drop it, hits the firing pin, or hits the hammer, and actually sets the round off. So really that's all there is to it, but here I'll show you a cool slow-mo video I took so you can actually see it in action.